So what we're waiting for is
Yeah, so is it visible?
you mean here?
Yes, on YouTube, I mean,
I took just a moment.
or LinkedIn, whatever it. Okay, so I'll just start. Um, Hello, everybody. Thank you for joining and being a part of this webinar today. And most of you were a part of the last webinar that we conducted. I would again like to introduce myself. This is Arshan Khan. I'm the cybersecurity specialist, and I've been into the market for almost 8 years now, majorly focusing on cybersecurity and data protection. And Search Inform happens to be a company that has been in the market for plus 25 years now, and we've already protected 3 million PCs around the globe through our enterprise grade solutions that include DLP, DCAP, risk monitoring, time informer, and watermarking. Today, the agenda of today's webinar is going to be the DCAP solution. Okay, that is majorly a file auditor or a data classification tool. Okay, I'll quickly give you a use case, and then we'll jump onto a real life practical application of the DCAP solution and how Search Inform solution has actually helped a company in protecting their data and classifying their data. So before we directly jump to the final stage, let me give you the lifeline of the incidents. This we have already discussed in the last presentation. Okay, this we have already discussed in the last presentation, the last webinar that we have, that data leakages actually have three different stages. As you can see on my screen, there is an information extraction stage where the data actually gets out of the company. Okay, this is the last stage, and after this, all the necessary steps have to be taken. But rather than falling into that trap of once the data has already gone out, or data has already been leaked, there are always two different stages that happen before that. How? Because before the data gets leaked, there are always tendencies of the employees who are trying to accumulate that data, who yeah, who are trying to accumulate that data, who are trying to gather that data, collect that information before leaking that out. And then before the accumulation stage, also there is always an intention formation stage. So in the intention formation stage, the employee or the user actually develops the intention of data leakage. It's never going to happen that today I'm very happy and considerate about working at a company, and tomorrow I just walk into my office and leak some data. No, I create an intention, then based on intention I accumulate that information, and then the information extraction stage come, where's the last stage. So most of the traditional DLPs or data decap solutions focus on the extraction stage only. Yeah, am I audible? Yeah, because I started the webinar presentation, so just wanted to check that am I audible or no.